Hello guys, welcome to Byhatke. Today we are here to let you know Amazon's daily quiz time answers for date June 6, 2024. If you are not aware on how to attempt Amazon quiz, please open your Amazon app and head to search bar. Here type in FunZone keyword and click on play now option from the top result. Now you are redirected to the FunZone section. Here scroll down until you find the Amazon daily quiz time banner. Just tap on it and click on start option to get right into the quiz. As you can see our first question, who is the head coach of Bayer Leverkusen? And the answer is Xabi Alonso. Up next our second question is, what is the name of third movie in Deadpool franchise set for release in July 2024? The answer is Deadpool and Wolverine. Let's move on to the question number 3. The Insider is a novel written by which former Prime Minister who won Bharat Ratna in 2024? And it's P.V. Narasimha Rao. Let's move on to the question number 4. This is the Mugeshwar temple located in which Indian city? And it is Bhubaneswar. Last question number 5. The majority of these animals are found in the wild on which island country? And here is the final correct option, Madagascar. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more search Amazon daily quiz answers.